Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. We are embarking on a momentous occasion right now because we are coming upon the last letter of the Arabic alphabet in the series of Where's Waldo Arabic Letters Edition. Today, we can just scream with joy because, hey, we have reached the end. So we can just say, yay. And so this is the letter yeah or yo or yeah. Anyway, um, the reason this actually works really well because in the previous video, and I want to do a quick recap. We're not going to do the hunt just yet, but in the previous video, we covered the letter hey or hello, and this one is yay. So hey and yay are basically two letters in the Arabic alphabet that are adjacent with each other. The thing about yeah is that in terms of how it looks like in the beginning, middle, and end. So in the beginning, yeah is going to look like this with two dots at the bottom. In the middle, it'll be like this, two dots at the bottom. And in the end, it'll look like this, and then it'll go like this. And it may or may not have two dots at the bottom, but it usually has it looks kind of like this. It looks like I always thought it looks like a chicken, but that might be because I'm hungry. But let's ignore that. But I wanted to do a quick recap of what we did yesterday, right? We talked about hey or hat. Essentially, you have hat that looks like this. It is a hole, or it looks like this, which is that. It is different from the one where it has tacos, right? But this one it could be confused with taco because taco's got the two dots on it. Yeah has two dots at the bottom of it, but hat also has the infinity symbol. It also has the bow tie in the middle. It has the bow tie in the beginning, in the middle, and also infinity symbol in the end. And it looks like a ditch also sometimes, right? And so it's got a whole bunch of different versions of it. And so in terms of the way it appears on throughout, yeah, it's more simple. But the reason I wanted to share is because one, the key identifying feature is that this is probably the only letter in the Arabic alphabet that has two dots at the bottom. Am I right or am I right? You're thinking about that, aren't you? So for all the letters we've already covered up until this point, what other letter has two dots at the bottom? We know we got two dots at the top for taco and choked out Felix. And we've got many letters that have one dot on the top, but this is the only letter that has two dots at the bottom. Now, there are instances where it has no dots at the bottom, and so, but it will retain the shape of this. And that's how you know it is there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through this passage. We're going to find all the yeah in this passage here. This is verse 29 of Surah Al-Fath, the shortest verse of the Arabic, the shortest verse of the Quran that has all the letters of the Arabic alphabet. And so let us get started reading right to left, not left to right, top to bottom, in sequence, and in sequence of words and letters each way. Ready? So let us look for yeah. Identifying two dots at the bottom. Boom! We found our first one. Yeah and noon. Keep going. Any more yeah. Oh, look at that. See this one right here. That is a yeah. But for those who are well advanced, we're not pronouncing this one. But just to let you know that that is a yeah. Unless I'm wrong. This is a yeah. Yeah, it is a yeah. Yeah, it's a yeah. Keep going. And we've got a boat and a yeah and a noon and a foxhole and a meme, but we're not covering all the letters right now. We're just looking for a yeah. Two dots at the bottom. Any more? Oh, there we go. Two dots at the bottom. Yeah. Keep going. Two more dots at the bottom. Yeah, right there. Any more two dots at the bottom? Two dots at the bottom. Two dots at the bottom. Well, let's look at this. We've got this here is a yeah. There's no dots, but we know it by the shape, right? Because we talked about it. It's kind of what it looks like towards the end. My version not so neat. That's why we're looking at the script to get a better idea of it. This one here also, that's a yeah. This one here also, that's a yeah. I'm covering it. Boom, right there. But continuing across, any more of, so this one right here, that's a yeah, with no doubt a dot on the bottom. Keep going. Any more? We already caught that one. We got 2 dots at the bottom. Yeah. Keep going. Any more? No more 2 dots at the bottom, and no more of, oh, there we go. By itself. Yeah. Just like how we talked about here, but it's got no dots. Just like that. Yeah by itself. Yeah and baby Alif. And then we've got Arnold, Lamb, yeah, baby Alif. Oh, I covered that. But you probably caught on the overhead, yeah? Yeah. Ta-da. You got 2 dots on the bottom. Yeah. Any more? 2 more dots at the bottom. 2 dots at the bottom. Let's keep going. Any more? Up, 2 dots at the bottom. What else? We've got, and 2 dots at the bottom, right there. And that's it. That covers all the letters of the Arabic alphabet. How many years did you find in this passage? Let me know down in the comments below. I'll see you soon. Assalamu alaikum.